Sandwich you. Sandwich you. Guys, how you doing? Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. I'm blessed, you're blessed. What we made: rum cake, ice cream sandwich with rum and raisin ice cream. I know there's so many different ways of making ice cream sandwich, but I took it to another level. Yes guys, I made it with rum cake. I know you've seen me make rum cakes numerous amount of times, but why not try something different with my rum cake? And usually ice cream sandwich is made with cookies or cakes, but never with rum cake. So today I made my rum cake ice cream sandwich with delicious rum and raisin ice cream. I'll run through the baking process of the cake because I know you've seen me, and who haven't seen my videos of my rum cakes, I'll leave a link in my description so you could go ahead and watch it. Today we'll be assembling the ice cream sandwich. This cake was baked yesterday and it's been in the freezer for overnight with my ice cream. So let's see how I make my rum cake plus my delicious rum and raisin ice cream, and then we'll go ahead and assemble. 1 cup melted butter, brown sugar, vanilla, lime, you can use lemon juice. This is exactly 2 cups. Now guys, time to make my delicious rum and raisin ice cream. Whipping cream, so 3 cups, 2.5 teaspoons. There it is, my stiff peak that I'm looking for. Right there. Here's my raisin. This raisin has been soaking in wine. I had some rum to it yesterday. And this is about 1.25 cups. Put this in. Gently fold it in. There it is. You can see. Now in the freezer. Okay, time to assemble my ice cream sandwich. Let's put it on a piece of parchment paper. But I realized that my cake wasn't cut evenly, so I might have to trim it up. I wanted was to leave the rustic end of the cake, but I might have to trim off just a little piece. You're so vain. You probably think that song was about you. Okay, and it worked fast now. No playing around. My song continues. Okay, I need to get my ice cream on my cake. As I said before, one was cut. This cake was cut uneven, so we'll work with it. We'll work with it. We'll work with it. My ice cream is getting soft. Sandwich you. Sandwich, yeah. Ah! Don't want to waste my ice cream. Don't want to waste my ice cream. Too good to waste. Guys, I came up with delicious ice cream sandwich. So this will go right back in the freezer. I bet you think that song was about you, don't you? Don't you? Ice cream sandwich. Rum and raisin fudge. Or my rum cake ice cream sandwich. Which do you prefer? Me? I prefer both. Rum and raisin fudge. Rum cake ice cream. So from my amazing house to yours, one love. Nettie's amazing house. This is so delicious, guys.